Welcome to the Groundwater Modeling course. I am Eileen Potter, and I am assuming that you have already studied groundwater hydrology. You have joined me to study my favorite topic. I have much enthusiasm for this course because I find it pleasurable to use mathematics to represent the physical world. Models are a simplistic representation of the world, but it is intriguing to see how equations can provide surprisingly accurate predictions of how the physical world will respond. There are many potential pitfalls. For example, it can appear that a model is an acceptable representation of field conditions, yet the predictions can be poor. We will explore not only how to model, but also how to use common sense and mathematical tools to evaluate the quality of the model and decide how to use the results. Please carefully review the course information. Notice that the primary focus of the course is for you to conduct your own unique modeling project. This requires you to choose a problem to work on and clear it with me before proceeding. You will want to start thinking about possible projects and select one soon. Do not be too concerned about how it will work out later in the course, because I offer you 3 protections. First, I will screen the project and help you modify it if necessary. Secondly, you can change the project later if you find the obstacles are too large for a term project. Finally, we will work together to drastically simplify the problem. The project will not be equivalent to one produced in the professional world. This would be too much effort for a semester project by someone who never modeled before. Rather, we will simplify so that you learn all of the fundamental concepts without getting bogged down by a high level of detail, which would require many hours of data analysis, file manipulation, and model execution time. If you choose a project that will later become a production-level model, you will have the skills needed to conduct the more elaborate variation of the project. If you are uncertain about how to define a problem, proceed through Units 1 and 2, then revisit the issue. Units 3 and 4 will provide additional insight if you are still feeling unsure. I should warn you that you may feel a bit lost and confused at first. This is to be expected. If I direct your every move, you would feel comfortable here, but the first time you tried to set up a model on the job, you would be unsure how to proceed. So be patient with your confusion early in the semester and have faith that the concepts will come together by the time we are through. Going through this uncertainty here, where there is little to lose, will better prepare you to undertake competent professional modeling after finishing the course. This is the first time that I am teaching an online course. You may have heard that putting web materials together is time-consuming. This is true, so I haven't been able to include all of the items that I would like. Interactive tools are a particular benefit to a web course. I have developed some and plan to incorporate more in future offerings of the course. I welcome your suggestions on interactive items that you think would help you to learn the material. In summary, we will explore not only how to model, but also how to use common sense and mathematical tools to evaluate the quality of the model and decide how to use the results. Please carefully review the course information and choose a project. Do not be concerned if you feel uncertain at first. Finally, please offer suggestions for how to improve the course at any phase of the course.